By the end of this video, you will know how to enter a refund in Xero. You are already signed in, so start from the top navigation menu and click Sales. From the Sales drop-down, select Invoices. This takes you to the Invoices page where you can find the credit note connected to the customer refund you want to enter. Once you are on the Invoices page, look for the Awaiting Payment tab and open it. This view shows invoices and credit notes that still have an outstanding balance, which helps narrow the list to items that still need attention. From here, locate the credit note that matches the refund you need to process, then open it. On the credit note page, take a moment to review the details before recording the refund. Check the customer, the credit amount, and any other visible information so you can confirm that you are working with the correct credit note. This is the point where it is worth pausing, especially if there are several similar transactions in the account. After you confirm the details, move to the upper right corner of the credit note and click Add Cash Refund. Xero opens the Add Cash Refund window, where you will enter the payment information for the refund. In that window, enter the amount being refunded, or confirm the amount if it is already filled in correctly. Then select the date paid for the refund. Make sure the date matches the actual payment date you want recorded in Xero. Next, go to the Account field and choose the bank account or payment account the refund is being paid from. This part matters because it determines where Xero records the outgoing refund. Select the correct account before moving on. If you need to include a reference, enter it in the reference field. This can be left as needed based on how you want the refund to appear in your records. When everything in the refund window looks correct, click Add to record the cash refund. Xero will process the entry and apply the refund against that credit note. After that, look for the confirmation message on screen. You should see Cash Refund Paid, which indicates that the refund has been recorded successfully. At this stage, the credit note reflects the refund you just entered, and the transaction is now part of your Xero records. If the confirmation message appears, that means the refund has been saved using the amount, payment date, and account you selected. Thanks for watching. The cash refund is now recorded in Xero and linked to the correct credit note.